Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you this technical demo of a Canvas app whose functionality is the capture of daily activities of the staff with attachment capabilities and an interface that lets us navigate between the created records. Let's see. Upon opening the app, it shows us the name of the user who is currently logged in here. At the top of the main screen, we find the current week. In this case, with the first day being Monday and ending on Sunday, we can navigate between the weeks using the arrows, like this. This is the previous week. Let's get back to the current week. And let's explore the next week too. Let's remain in the current week. We can navigate using the arrows that we have seen, or at the top right, we have a date finder here. Selecting one week updates the week that is presented on the screen. This is the current week. Let's navigate to the previous week. There it is. We have already seen this screen. Let's get back to the current week. So we can start creating new records. The gallery that we see in the center of the screen shows us only the working days. Note that by default, the current week is the one we first see, and the present day is highlighted. Let's fill a few days. We can select whether we worked on an internal or an external project. Depending on this toggle control, we will have listed the matching projects. If I have an internal project, I will be brought to this internal project screen. But if it is an external project, I will be brought to this external project screen. So I could pick one. Let's fill it like this. Today is an internal project, and the rest of the days were external projects. The interesting part of this demo is how it allows us to upload multiple files to each day and save them in one move, while also renaming each file with the project to which they belong and the matching date. This estimation here, and maybe the sketchbook here. Let's save. The typed information is kept on the screen as it is saved in a collection, but it will not be saved in the SharePoint list until the Save button is pressed. Let's add a description here. Save again. Finally, let's take a look at the SharePoint list where the saved documents are attached to their corresponding item. Let's reload. There it is. This is the previous week, and this is the current week. Let's open an item, and there it is, the attachment with the renamed format. Alpha, the name of the project, the date, and the name of the attachment. There it is. Thank you very much.